Got this HR17 narrow machine here. It's from 2019. The problem is with the engine start, and it doesn't start, or there is some problems with the drive, I think, as well. So let's see what's happening here. I think the customer reported is non-starting, or is starting up but it's not stopping. So let's try, let's give it a go. So turn the machine on. Started on its own. Oh wow, that was interesting. So now I have a e-stop in, key switch off, and it's running. Alright, that's interesting. Let me try again. I'm gonna try again. It just started on its own. I just turned the machine on and engine just started cranking, and I heard the starter motor is engaged. Let's try again. So release the e-stop, turn the key switch on. Oh, this is a nice one. Okay, never seen that before. But something happened with the engine start relay, so I'm not sure if I'm getting the signal to start, but definitely getting output into starter, in the starter motor. And that's going to be output into starter motor because engine starts, and then I can hear that the starter motor is engaged. But if I press the e-stop in, then the starter motor disengages and then the engine carry on running. So it must be the signal coming in to start. But okay, let's have a look what's happening with the diesel board and see from there. Okay, so got into my diesel box. That's my diesel card, and that card is controlling the starter motor. So got my multimeter in it, and let's have a look if we're getting the voltage on the start wire as we turn the machine on. So e-stop. Okay, so as we suspected, the voltage is present on a start wire, and when we hit the e-stop, the voltage goes away. So the controls on that board is supposed to be working fine. So what I will try to do now is it's just this plug a bit sitting off square, so maybe that's why we don't have a stop. But what I will try to do, I will try to disconnect DST wire here. You see this wire here, DST, and that DST wire is diesel start, and I will try to disconnect that and see if it's gonna start or not. So let's try. So that's my DST wire, that's a diesel start. So now I would expect that to stay off. Let's try. So e-stop. Alright, good. Let's start now. So we know for sure that's not a problem with that card, but the problem with the control signal. So just had the machine on now, sitting on for a while, and what's happened is the PLC gone red. So that means we having error frames building up. Okay, so let's give a couple of seconds, see what's gonna happen. I just cannot get this to fail anymore, but I know it happened once. So that PLC gone red, it means there's a problems with the communication. So I want to check on this fuse here. By the step down unit you have this ground fuse, and disconnecting two grounds. Ah, there we go, it's gone again. Okay, so let's have a look what's the error code we're getting in the screen. So I got error 27, see? Not sure if you can see that, but error 27. Alright, that's good. So yeah, let's have a look on this fuse. With this fuse, see? The fuse has gone. Alright, that's good. So this fuse is actually responsible for connecting two grounds together. So replace the fuse now. So this is new fuse. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, let's do this way. Let me connect a DST wire back on and see if we're gonna have an engine start. Alright, so got my DST wire connected back on. So let's start the machine up and see if the engine is gonna start. Okay, e-stop is out, key switch on. Alright, that sounded good. No more starting on its own. Motor runs. Now, okay, let's see. So glow is working now. I can hear the relays clicking. So let's try. Alright, so that's looking good. Starts, stops just fine. No problems at all. Alright, that was easy fix. So there's nothing wrong with the board. It's just bad. Yeah, so it's just that fuse gone and caused the troubles with the engine start. So I think it's more a bit of random things happening when this fuse gone, because we possibly lost the common ground between a 48 volt system and 12 volt system. So, and the PLC is staying green now for a while now, so that's good news. So I will test the machine a bit more just to make sure everything's working fine and see from there. Okay, so machine is working fine, no problems. Engine starts and stops every time. I just want to see if I can repeat the same fault, because this was very strange. I've never seen this fault before. So I removed the fuse now, as it would be gone, and I want to see if the engine is going to start on its own. It does not. That's what I found so strange, because I've never seen that before. Normally if that fuse goes, you don't have the problem with the engine starting. Okay, so let me try to fit. It's not that it's going to make a difference, but I will try to fit this faulty one. Let's try again. Okay, same, nothing. Alright, it's really strange behavior. I mean, really strange. But hey, that was a fix. And the main clue was that PLC was going into red. That meaning is struggling to communicate and is going fail safe. And that normally happen. And it's giving error 27 as well, actually, which is a canvas fault. So that means it's something not right with the canvas system, which in this case was the ground problem. Okay, so that was easy fix, and it's good to go.